Here is how we can blur photo on the Snapseed photo editor. So if it's your first time in here on Foxtecc, subscribe right now and you'll never miss anything important. So we can get inside of the Snapseed, right? And let me just come back to the main editing page and let me just import an image from the gallery, right? So whatever it might be, let's say that you can actually see that I selected multiple, but let's say I imported this image of the view from my window, right? It's actually a downloaded image, of course, but in order to blur parts of it, what we can do is to swipe up on the tools and select the lens blur. That is the only blur available. So we can select it, and since it is a lens blur, the way that it works is that the dot in the middle represents what is focused on, and the areas around it get blurry. So you can kind of like adjust the strength and some other things too. You can make it smaller like that, right? So it is kind of like up to you to play with it. But if you want to blur only specific areas of the image, what I like to do is adjust the blur strength to the maximum. And let's say that I move this all the way like away to the corner, which makes the whole image blurry. You can confirm it like this, and now it apparently the whole thing is blurry, but we can click on the layers at the top, click on the mask next to lens blur, and then now you get to decide which parts of the image are going to be blurry. Let's say that I want to only blur like this selected area, so I can click on it like that, and as you can see, it gets blurry like this. So you can see that's how it works, and you can also adjust it like that, and now only the remaining of the photo is clear, right? You can also adjust the intensity and stuff, and you can also use the eraser tool, so you can kind of like make it come back, you know. That's the point. That's how we can blur inside of the photos in a Snapseed. So it's not ideal because we don't have like the actual blur tool. It's only the lens blur, but it is what it is. That's what we have, and that's how you can use it. So let me know what you think about it below in the comments. I'm gonna wrap it up right now, and I'll see you later in the future uploads.